Hey guys! In today's video, we're exploring one of the most fascinating areas of modern technology, Google Quantum AI. Google's quantum computing research has achieved major milestones that could completely change how we solve some of the world's hardest problems. But what does this breakthrough actually mean? Let's find out. First, let's understand what makes quantum computers different. Traditional computers use bits, which store information as either 0 or 1. Quantum computers use qubits, which can represent multiple possibilities at the same time. This unique ability allows quantum computers to approach certain problems in a completely different way from regular computers. However, building a useful quantum computer is extremely challenging. The biggest obstacle is that qubits are very fragile. Small changes in temperature, noise, or outside interference can create errors and affect calculations. This is why quantum error correction has become one of the most important areas of research. Google's quantum AI team has been working on solving this challenge. One of the biggest achievements was demonstrating improved error correction methods that allow quantum systems to become more reliable as they grow. This is a critical step toward creating larger and more practical quantum computers. So why is this such a big deal? A powerful quantum computer could help scientists solve problems that are currently impossible or take thousands of years for traditional computers to complete. For example, it could help researchers design new medicines, create advanced materials, improve climate models, optimize complex systems, and accelerate scientific discoveries. Google's quantum AI research also has connections with artificial intelligence. In the future, quantum computing could potentially improve certain AI processes by helping machines analyze complex data and solve optimization problems faster. But it's important to understand that quantum computers are not replacing normal computers anytime soon. They're specialized machines designed for specific scientific and mathematical challenges. Your smartphone, gaming PC, and everyday applications will continue using traditional computing technology. The real importance of Google's quantum AI breakthroughs is that they bring researchers closer to a future where quantum computers can solve meaningful real-world problems. Every improvement in hardware, error correction, and control systems moves the industry one step closer to practical quantum computing. While there still is a long journey ahead, Google's progress shows that quantum technology is moving from theory closer to reality. That's it. If you found this video interesting, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more AI, quantum computing, and future technology updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.